Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 6th, chapter 3, playing with numbers, part 1. Students, what you're going to learn from this video? Students, you will be learning the solution of exercise 3.1 today. In this 3.1 exercise, we have the first question as listing all the factors of the following numbers. Now, what do you mean by factors? Factors means you have to find out the tables in which the given numbers are divisible. That means 24. When we say number 1, that is table 1. Yes, we can say that 124s are 24. So 1 is the table which can divide 24 by 24. If you are going to say 2, we can say 2 12s are 24. That means when you are going to divide the table, we are going to divide number 24 by the table 2, you will be having the quotient as 12. In the similar manner, at the very same time when you are talking about table 1, that 1 divides 24 by 24, at the similar time you have the second table also ready, which you are going to see in this manner. See, 24's table you can divide 24 by 24, ones are 24. So these factors are both the ways. That means even if you divide by 1, the quotient will be 24, and when you divide 24 by 24, the quotient will be 1. So both the numbers are actually the factors. So your 2 12s are 24, and in the similar manner, if you are going to see the reverse order, it will be 12 2s are 24. That means even both 2 and 12 are the factors. Now let us talk about 3 8s. 3 8s are 24, and in the similar manner, if you are going to see the reverse order, it will be 8 3s are 24. So when you find the answer for one table, that is whether the given number is divisible by 1 or not, the second table is also ready for you. Okay, now next is 4. So 4 table, yes, 4 6s are 24, and reverse is 6 4s are. After 4, the number comes 5, and 5 is the table in which the 24 cannot be divided. So let us take number 6. 6 4s are 24. So student, here you can see 4 6s are 24 and 6 4s are 24 are the reverse order of each other. So when you reach at such points, what you have to do? You have to delete the reverse order of the, or you may say the repeated ones. See, 4 6s are and 6 4s are called as repeated one. So that this one is repeated one, we have to neglect it. So we get the factors till here. See, how we are going to write? We will be listing number 1 first, then 2, then 3, then 4, and now go in the reverse order. That is 6, then 8, then 12, and then 24. In this manner, we have to list all the factors of 24. I hope students, you understood this, that how you are going to do it. The next number is 15. 115s are 15. So we have 2 factors here now. In the table of 2, 15 is not divisible. So we will avoid 2. We'll go for 3. 3 5s are 15. And 5 3s are 15. In both the ways we have to see. After the number 3, the next number is 4. So this 4 number cannot divide 15. So 4 we have to neglect it. We have to avoid it. We'll go for number 5. Now as you can see here, 3 5s are, and the repetition has come. 5 3s are. So we have to stop here. As soon as you get the repetition, you just avoid the repeated one and list all the factors in ascending order. That means 1 first, then comes 3, then 5, and then 15. Or else you may think in another way, that you are going to write the first factor of each and then the second factor in the reverse order. Okay, so 1 3 5 15 are the 4 factors of the number 15. Students, in the similar manner, you will find for 21, you will find for 27. Next number is 12. Then you are going to find for 20. See, 120s are 20. Then table 2 we will take. 2 10s are 20. And in the table of 3, 20 cannot be divided. So we will leave that table 3. We'll go for 4 5s are 20. After 4 comes 5 4s are 20. Here the repetition has come. So we will stop here. We are going to see till here only. What you are going to write? You are going to write the first factor first. That means 1. After that 2. After that 4. After that the reverse order 5 begins. So from reverse order 5, then 10 and then 20. Like this you will list it down here putting the commas. And in this manner you will find the 6 factors for the number 20. The next number is 18, then 23 and then 36. I hope student you can write it. Okay, so let us move on to the next question of exercise 3.1. Write the first 5 multiples. Now this is very easy. How? The first 5 multiples means you have to pick up the table of the given number and till the first 5 you have to write. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. All the multiples till 5 you have to write for the table 5. That is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 over. And then we have to list only the multiples. Now when you are writing the tables, my dear students, this side you get the factors and this answer is actually the multiple. That means in a table, after equality, whatever numbers you are getting, they are called as the multiples of the table, and the table is of 5. So we will say these are all the multiples of 5, and we have written only first 5. So first 5 multiple of 5 are, we are going to write only the multiples 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, and that's over. In the similar manner, students, you will be writing the first 5 multiple of 8 and then of 9 like this. See, first 8 tables you have to write, and then you are going to list only the multiples, and only multiples are written after equality. So like this answers you will list in the similar manner for 9 also. Now students, the next question is match the column. Now here students, 35 is what? It is the multiple of 8 or the multiple of 7 or the multiple of 70 or the factor of 30 or the factor of 50. Now as you can see, multiple of 7 possible, that means it is the one of answer from the table 7, that is 7 5s are 35. So for the first answer 1, the correct answer is B. Now for second one, 50, 15. Now this is over. We are going to check for, is it multiple of 8? No. Is it the multiple of 70? No. The multiple are always greater than the given table. So after 70 it will begin. So we cannot think of the multiple. Now factors are always less than these numbers. That means 30 se kam hi hoga. So 15 could be the factor of 30. Yes, possible. 15 2s are 30. So this is the second answer, that is B. 16. It could be the multiple of 8 because it is greater than 8 also, and 8 2s are come 16 also. For third answer is A. 420. This could be the multiple of 70. How? 71s are 70. Like that if you are going to go, then 76 are 420. So the question 4's correct answer is C. Now 10. 10 could be the factor of this 50, because 10 5s are 50. I hope students you understood what are the multiples and what are factors. One thing you have to keep in mind, that when multiples are said, the multiples are always greater than the given number of the multiple. It will be always more than this. But when you talk about factors, you have to keep in mind that this will be the last factor, that is 30. Correct? The numbers cannot exceed the given number when they are the factors. I hope students you understood this. The last question is find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Now there is, if you have understood that what are the multiples, no need to write the whole table. You just go on listing the answers of 9. That is 9 ones are 9. So write only 9 in the mind. 9 twos are, do it in the mind. And whatever answer comes, you just list that. 18, 27, 36, 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 66. So not listing of 9 multiple by 7, you are going to just list the answer. 72, 81, 90, 99. Why we had gone till 90? Because here the question has been written that you have to write all the multiples up to 100. That means till 100 but not more than 100. So 9 11s are 99 comes, but 9 12s are 108. We cannot write 108. Why? Because we don't have to go more than 100. I hope students you have followed this. Thank you for watching the video. We are going to meet soon with another part. Till then, have a nice day.